Welcome you guy, come to my channel. I just discovered a YouTube niche that's absolutely blowing up right now, and hardly anyone is talking about it. What's even crazier, I found a way to automate the entire process of creating these videos using just one tool. You've probably seen automation tutorials before, where they tell you to research content, write scripts, record voiceovers, find footage, add music, and then somehow edit it all into a video that people actually want to watch. But what if I told you there's software out there that does all of this for you in just around 10 minutes? If you've ever tried AI image generators, think of this as the next step, but for full-length videos. Just type in what you want, and this tool handles everything else. Now I know what you're thinking. Great, another YouTuber claiming everything can be automated. But stick around, because I'm about to show you how this tool works and why this niche has huge potential. It's a topic people are endlessly fascinated by, and very few creators are using AI to dive into it. The niche I'm talking about is space facts. Right now, space is one of the most popular topics on YouTube. People can't get enough of it, from black holes and distant galaxies to space missions, scientific discoveries, and even the search for extraterrestrial life. There's something about the mysteries of the universe that captivates viewers and keeps them coming back for more. But here's the thing. Most creators in this space, pun intended, are still doing everything manually. They spend hours on research, scripting, and editing, trying to create high-quality videos to feed this demand. What if you could skip all those hours of work and generate amazing space videos automatically? This is where Heppa Edit Maker comes in. It's a powerful tool that allows you to create engaging, high-quality videos with just a few clicks. With Heppa Edit Maker, you can go from idea to finished video in minutes, not hours. And today, I'll walk you through exactly how to use it to make a compelling space facts video that's ready for YouTube. First things first, if you haven't downloaded Heppa Edit Maker yet, you can find a link in the description below. Once you open the app, you'll notice that it's packed with features. You'll see options like text-to-speech, AI avatars, a background remover, and a screen recorder. But for this tutorial, we're going to focus on the AI video generation feature. To get started, click on AI Video Generator. You have a few options here. You can either type or paste your video script directly, or you can use the AI copywriting tool within the app to generate one for you. Let's say you want a script about the incredible facts of the universe. Just type in a request like, create a script about the mysteries of black holes, or generate facts about space exploration. In a few moments, the AI will generate a script packed with interesting information. Once you're happy with it, copy it, close the AI window, and paste it into the text box. Now click Next. The tool will automatically break down your script into individual sentences. This feature makes it easy to pair each line of your script with the perfect visual. You can click the plus sign to upload video clips from your own computer, or to save time, you can use the auto pick option and let the AI select suitable stock footage for each sentence. You can even hit auto pick all to let the AI do it all at once if you're in a hurry. In the right panel, you can preview your video and choose the aspect ratio. Since we're making a long-form video, I'd recommend going with the landscape format. This format works well for YouTube's standard layout and helps give your video a professional look. To make the video more engaging, enable the voiceover option. You can select from a variety of AI voices to find the one that best matches your script.
Heppa Edit Maker is a popular video editing software with powerful AI features.
Heppa Edit Maker is a popular video editing software with powerful.
Heppa Edit Maker is a popular
Heppa Edit Maker.
For example, the Andrew voice has a clear, smooth tone that works really well for narrating space content. Once you've chosen your voice, click Confirm. Let's add subtitles next to ensure your content is accessible to a wider audience. You can customize the style and size of your subtitles, but I suggest a bold font with a black background for readability, especially since some space visuals can be quite dark. Next, it's time for music. Go to the music section, where you'll find a library of copyright-free tracks that you can use for your video. Listen to a few tracks and pick one that matches the mysterious, expansive theme of space. Once you've chosen your track, drag it to the bottom of the timeline. You'll want to adjust the volume to around 10% so it complements the voiceover without overwhelming it. Now let's add some transitions to make the video visually dynamic. Go to the top left and click on Transitions. You can drag different transition effects between clips to add smooth changes from one scene to the next. Adding transitions helps keep viewers engaged and adds a layer of polish to your final product. And don't forget a call to action. To encourage viewers to subscribe, go to Elements and select a subscribe graphic from the social media section. Drag it to the end of the video on your timeline, reminding viewers to follow your channel for more content like this. Once you've added everything, preview the video from start to finish to ensure everything flows well. You can make any last-minute tweaks here, whether it's adjusting the length of a clip, changing subtitle styles, or adding extra sound effects. Your space video is now ready for YouTube. Imagine delivering fascinating facts like, did you know the universe is 93 billion light-years wide? Or, there's a planet made of diamonds 40 light-years away. With captivating visuals, background music, and a professional voiceover, your video is sure to keep viewers engaged. Now, let's see our results.
Did you know that space is 93 billion light-years wide? That's mind-blowing. Our universe is constantly expanding. The farther galaxies are, the faster they move away from us. Crazy, right? Black holes are cosmic vacuum cleaners. They have such strong gravity that not even light can escape their grasp. Think space is silent. Think again. Certain regions have sound waves that scientists have converted into music. Ever heard of a planet made of diamonds? 55 Cancri might be a giant diamond in the sky, 40 light-years away. When we look at stars, we're seeing them as they were years ago. A star 1,000 light-years away shows us its past. Space is full of wonders. If you love these facts, like and subscribe for more cosmic content.
If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.